Hey, it's Kyle, and I am back here with a review and an unboxing of the Pedal Commander, the world's most advanced throttle controller system. Now, we're going to start by going over everything that's actually in the box, so if you want to skip straight to the review, here's the timestamp for that. First off, the box. It doesn't just look sweet, it's also super useful, and we're going to talk about that in just a bit. Let's open this bad boy up and take a look inside. Now, the first thing you're going to see is the bracket that's going to hold the Pedal Commander on. Also, you have this sweet sticker that's going to show everyone exactly how cool you are for owning this bad boy. Some wipes that are going to come in handy while installing it, and we have the actual Pedal Commander itself. With the actual Pedal Commander, you've got some wires here that's going to unleash the true power of your engine, as the Pedal Commander says, and you got this cool, sweet lanyard right here. You could put this bad boy on, take it to the gym, the hamburger shack, whatever. This is a sweet bonus. Now, this is why the box is so cool. Every single thing that you need to know is literally printed inside of the box on how to install the Pedal Commander. So that's a lot easier to keep up with than about 40 papers you're rifling through, and then all of a sudden you realize you've lost the most important part. That's pretty genius if you ask me. So now with everything out of the box, let's get to some of the important stuff. Here are just a few of the Pedal Commander's features that we love the most. Now, this one might seem a little obvious, but the Pedal Commander is going to remove all of the disadvantages of having an electronic gas pedal, which is going to in turn allow your engine to respond faster. Each Pedal Commander is individually programmed according to the make, model, and engine specs and transmission of your vehicle. The Pedal Commander comes with a variety of modes, so each driver is sure to find the perfect fit for their vehicle and their lifestyle. Now, the 4 different modes are Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus. Now, Eco mode allows you to maximize your fuel economy up to over 20% over stock ratings. Now, Eco mode also works as valet mode, which is great for keeping your friends, kids, or other drivers from accelerating above a certain rate. City mode is perfect for the day-to-day. This mode is going to make your vehicle feel like it has a response more like an old-school throttle cable with a 1:1 pedal to throttle acceleration ratio. Now, the Sport and Sport Plus options aren't for everyday driving conditions. According to Pedal Commander, Sport is more spirited driving, and Sport Plus is ideal for racing. Now, these modes are going to give your vehicle the response and acceleration of a race car, so they are most definitely not for the faint of heart. Now, keep in mind, you're going to want to use caution with these modes. Now, for each mode, there are 8 different sensitivity levels, bringing the total number of options to 36. So odds are good that one of these will be a perfect fit for you. Now, we wouldn't be selling the Pedal Commander if we didn't believe it was a stellar product, but even the best products sometimes have problems. So, if you happen to be the poor, unfortunate soul that ends up with a less than perfect Pedal Commander, you're going to be happy to know that they do offer a 2-year warranty. And speaking of warranties, one of the top questions we get with products like Pedal Commander is, will it void my factory warranty? Well, I am more than happy to share, in the case of the Pedal Commander, the answer is no. Plug and play, that is just music to my ears. Now, if you've been with us for a while, you know that here at Midwest Aftermarket, we're not afraid to get our hands dirty. But that doesn't mean we have all the time in the world to work on the truck. That's why we love upgrades with easy plug and play installations like the Pedal Commander here. Installation is a breeze and only takes about 10 minutes. Everything that goes into the Pedal Commander is top grade, from the 3M keypad to the high performance CPU to the connectors. Everything is OEM quality. There's a Pedal Commander out there for 95% of all vehicles on the road today, so you shouldn't have to worry about not being able to get one for your truck or Jeep. That said, while the Pedal Commander will work with a number of different vehicles, not every Pedal Commander fits every vehicle. So if you want to know which Pedal Commander is going to work with your ride, check us out online at midwestaftermarket.com or simply give us a call. And now that you know all that there is to know about the Pedal Commander, I'm sure that you're curious about the installation process, and well, you're just going to have to stay tuned for that. Now, if you want to see how we installed this very Pedal Commander here on our 2018 Dodge Ram 1500, that's coming up soon to our YouTube, unless it's already out, in which case check that out. In the meantime, if you have any questions or just want to let us know what you think, feel free to either give us a call or even leave a comment on this very video. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.